And special thanks to our friends over at Wave Mill who were nice enough to send us their foldable neck fan. Here on the side, you can see this one has 3 speeds. It's foldable, has a 5200 milliamp hour battery, low noise, 4 air vents, and quickly cooling. And they have a few different colors here. Little sticker there. And the back just kind of tells you your power button, your pause button, your fan vents, 2 front air vents, and your 2 rear air vents. And so let's open this on up and take a look at this neck fan. This thing would have been pretty helpful when we were just in Orlando. That's it for the box. So we have a little user's guide here. Not a whole lot to explain. They include a USB-C cable to charge it. That's lovely. And then this is the foldable neck fan. So a lot of the other ones are not foldable. I can say that for certain. This one though is foldable, which is pretty cool. So you're able to fold that one out, fold this one out. Your USB-C cable goes right here to charge it up. And really outside of that, you have your power button. That is on, so you can hear how that sounds. And so if you hit the power button again, you go to like medium. And I like how this is turnable. Wow, never seen that. And then that is the high setting, and then off. So low, medium, high. Very nice. Love the amount of air that comes out of here, and you just set this right around your neck and it'll keep you nice and cool all day while you're out in the sun. Theoretically, most of these will last for about 8 hours. That's going to of course depend on whether you're on the high, medium, or low setting, but you should be able to get a full day's usage out of this on a full charge. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching this demonstration of this foldable neck fan. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.